Hello there everyone, I'm going to do a fish dish today, a whole fish. Take any fish you like. You can use pomfret, you can use any white fleshed fish, anything you like. But I'm taking here today ikan nyok-nyok. Okay, this dish is called crispy fried fish in tangy chili garlic sauce. You can find this in restaurants. It's got a little bit of Thai influence, but all Chinese restaurants do sell this. And it's quite nice and fresh tasting. So I'm squeezing here half a lime juice. And what you need is about 1 heaping spoon of coarse salt. This will be put on both sides and also in the cavity. Okay, and some white pepper also put on both sides. Okay, hari ni aunty nak masak satu resepi ikan. Boleh pilih ikan apa-apa, isi putih ataupun kombinasi ya. Macam ni ada isi putih dengan isi yang gelap tu lah. Ada ikan bawal pun boleh. Atau apa-apa ikan tilapia pun boleh. Okay, tadi aunty masukkan garam. Macam ni penuh garam. Dan ini akan digunakan di atas permukaan ikan, belakang ikan dan dekat dalam ikan tu ya. Dan sedikit lada sula sekali. Dan aunty peras setengah biji limau nipis, jus limau nipis. And now I have marinated this fish. I've scalded the fish so all the marinade will go inside to both sides, okay? And in the cavity, also put them into the cavity. Let them sit for a while, let the fish sit for a while before adding in a bit of corn flour. Don't overdo the corn flour, then you won't get the fried fish taste. And I'll put a little bit of this custard flour to give a nice coloring to the fish and crispiness because it's made with corn flour. Lepas perap 5-10 minit, aunty akan tambah sedikit saja tepung jagung, sikit saja, jangan berlebihan ya. Tepung jagung tu kadang-kadang kita ingat crispy tu kita kena pakai banyak-banyak, nanti sos tu tak masuk kalau pakai banyak-banyak. So sikit-sikit sudah. Dan saya juga pakai sedikit serbuk tepung kastad. Tepung kastad ni dibuat daripada tepung jagung juga, tapi dia akan memberi warna yang cantik. Tapi jangan masuk sekarang ya, sebelum kita goreng. Okay, nah biar dia duduk lah 5-10 minit gitu. Lepas tu kita akan bubuh tepung-tepung ni dan goreng. 1 spoon of custard flour, 1 spoon of corn flour on this side, and on the other side the same, 1 spoon of custard flour, 1 spoon of corn flour, and the remainder scoop it into the cavity. Okay, and also inside all these cavities here. Okay, saya dah masukkan 1 sudu kecil tepung jagung dan tepung kastad di satu belah, lagi satu di sini ya, dan masukkan dalam celah-celah yang dipotong sini. Lepas tu yang baki-baki tu masukkan dalam perut. Okey, dalam perut ikan. Okey, sekarang kita akan menggoreng ni. Goreng penuh ya, bukan half. Api sederhana kecil, jangan besarkan api ya, nanti dihangus dekat satu belah pula. Fully fry the fish, increase the flame to maximum, and after some time reduce it so that you don't get burnt patches everywhere. Make sure the fish is fully cooked. Then spoon over the hot oil each time. Make sure nothing burns everywhere when you're frying it. Keep moving it. Okay? Curah-curahkan ya minyak panas ni dekat celah-celah ni ya, yang kita kelah-kelah tu dalam perut dia semua. Ikan ni kena masak ya, betul-betul masak, tapi jangan hitam banyak. Sekali-sekala tolak dia ke sana ke sini. Wah, ke sana ke sini. Okay, sekarang kita keluarkan ya, dan kita buat sos. Semua minyak ni kita tapis dan ambil sedikit saja ya. Okay, for the sauce, what I have here is about 2 soup spoons of sugar, heaping soup spoons of sugar, 5 calamansi lime. You can actually use normal lime. You can use either like me 5 calamansi lime or 1 small lime juice. Okay, because I like using a little bit of vinegar in the sauce, so I'm not putting that much. It's supposed to be a bit tangy, but I'm not putting that much. Some people put a lot. This has got Thai influence in this Chinese dish. Untuk sos ni nanti ambil 2 sudu sup penuh gula dan 5 jus limau kasturi. Kalau nak boleh gunakan 1 limau nipis jus dia. Lepas tu kita campur-campur, dan saya juga masukkan 2 sudu sup sos ikan ya. Nanti kita tambah lagi kalau perlu. Dan lepas ni apa aunty akan buat, Saya ambil tadi beberapa daun ketumbar ni, tangkai-tangkai dia nanti akan cincang dan masukkan dalam sos ikan. I took the stems of a few coriander leaf. I'm mincing it and putting it in, and I'm also adding in some vinegar, about 1 soup spoonful vinegar. Okay, I will mix this and get ready. And what I have here is about 12 garlic. Okay, you can either mince this or roughly pound it, or like me, I'm going to roughly blend it in my blender. You can add how much of chili api you want. I'm adding 4 small ones and 2 red chilies. I'm not de-seeding it, so I will roughly blend it. That coriander leaves there is for the topping. Panaskan minyak gorengan tadi dalam 3 sudu sup ya. Lepas tu goreng semua bahan-bahan giling kasar yang saya blend kasar, ataupun kamu boleh tumbuk kalau suka, atau cincang pun boleh. Then 3 tablespoons of oil from the earlier fried fish, remainder oil, about 3 tablespoons, and blend this, roughly blended ingredients, the garlic, the fresh red chili, a bit of the chili padi. Okay, cook it down. I also put some chili padi as well as fresh red chili, and I left the seeds on. So after this, I'm putting in all the sugar, the oyster sauce, and the vinegar, and the chopped coriander stems. Cook this down. I'll add in about half a bowl of water. Tadi kita masukkan rancuhan sos ikan, gula, cuka dan tangkai-tangkai daun ketumbar ya. Masukkan setengah mangkuk kecil air. Rasa-rasa ya, sekarang apa yang perlu kita tambah, garam ke, asam dari asam limau nipis ke, cuka. Nanti nak tambah lagi sos ikan. Sekarang dah cukuplah semua-semuanya, dan kita akan curahkan ni atas ikan goreng. Taste is just nice, and we are going to pour this over the fried fish, and you are ready to eat. This is coriander leaves. Ini adalah daun ketumbar ya. Inilah ikan goreng crispy dengan sos cili dan bawang putih. Bawang putih ni agak banyak, tak ada bawang langsung dalam masakan ni. Ini adalah satu masakan ala-ala Thai sikit. Kalau nak kuah lebih, buatlah lagi 2 kali ganda ke apa ya. Untuk aunty cukuplah sebab ada sayur yang berkuah sikit. So, cubalah di rumah ya. This is the crispy fried fish with chili and garlic sauce. Okay, do try it at home. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my recipes. Alright, okay, see you in my next video. Bye bye.